I don't think so. I think there's some in the car. That's why I asked if you wanted to bring your bag of chips. You said no.
I just felt a raindrop.
Probably not. Probably bird peeing on you or something.
No. Bird pee is white.
I don't know what color it is.
I think it's white, like bird pee. Does this still let me have a workout?
Well, yeah, I think you got a good workout. You went like most of the way around.
Yeah.
Pretty good. One day, we might adventure when you get bigger. Who knows? Yeah, right now I'm trying to get broke in for sure.
Well, I kind of am from walking that park the other day. Look how far I've gotten.
That's good.
My legs ain't even tired.
Good.
Yeah, that's crazy doing that walking every day.
Your legs tired?
They sure are.
Mine are not. Ow, what is
My sunglasses.
no?
I'm kind of like pushing them into my head anyway. Hurts. Do we take that way or that way? Let's go this way.
Why?
Oh, adventure. Watch your head.
There's nothing there.
Probably a shortcut. That's what I'm hoping. This is pretty cool though. It's like a little tunnel. Some pretty, I think they're cherry blossoms. Or it might be apple blossom. Ooh, look at the mud bogs
Where?
on the ground.
Where? Ew. Dad, why would you pick this way?
Who would have known? Who would have known? We're weaving in and out of the trees.
Going the other way?
And we get back on the trail over here. After the swampland. Ew, swamp. We're gonna be traversing some trees. It's all wet. We're off in the woods now. Man,
That sound.
heck of
That's gross.
heck of a shortcut. It took us into the mud. I gotta climb over trees. And more mud.
Ew. Disgusting, Dad.
I didn't mean to. I didn't know. We're still on the trail though.
Good.
Good thing I wore these shoes. There you go. Skechers steel toe work shoes. Best thing for hiking.
Grandpa's like off the trail. He doesn't know where he is.
Actually, they're not Skechers. They're Timberlands. Sorry. Timberland steel toe work shoe.
He doesn't even know where he's going.
He's up over there. He's like,
Guys, you're lost.
meet you in the middle. He's like, forget the swamp. We're not walking through that. But Maya and I are going to traverse this.
Like, who is he? Bear Grylls.
Yeah.
Like a spy.
Surviving in the wild.
And like Bear Grylls. Well, he's the bear and then the grill. How could
Ooh.
Big Bear Grill.
We'll grill a bear. It's pretty up under here.
Yeah. Hey,
Watch ahead.
in Minecraft, your world looks like this. Your village.
It does kind of look like this, don't it?
Yeah.
It'd be a great place to build a village.
There's a village.
Yeah, somebody's been out here building teepees, huh?
I don't. Oh, Grandpa's like, I didn't wear the swamp, so my shoes are not wet.
Right?
Yeah.
Swampland.
Your neck is sweaty.
Oh,
I feel like I was peeing on you. Ew.
not much of a shortcut when Grandpa's right there.
We almost there.
We are, because right there's the bridge. And it goes over there, the bridge, to over there, to the car. It's another mile, maybe 2.
I get off.
Sweet. Hey, put these guys right here for a minute.